why wouldn't the sesame seed leave the casino? Because he was on a roll. Welcome to Shave&Butcher. Today I made a bowl lather, and I wanted you to be part of this shave because I've never done a good bowl lather. I've really tried, and I don't know if I nailed it this time. I sort of tried shaving my head and it was a bit dry, but I shaved with a head blade, so it doesn't matter. So I rinsed it up, did it all over again, and you know, that's what it looks like. And it's shiny, not quite drippy, but almost. It feels really good, so I thought give it a shot. The soap is a sample I got from Grey Dog, I think. It's Mere Shaving Chromium, and well, there's soap everywhere, so it's slick. That's for sure. The razor is for the DX with a super professional blade, and here we go. Here we go. I mean, I think I want my bowl lather to be, it's pretty thin. I think I want it to be similar to what Jeffrey Smith has. Really wet, but not almost drippy. This seems very, very wet, very translucent. Yeah, it's peaky, maybe too wet, but I'd rather have that. Let's see. Be fun, be interesting. Feather DX, super professional blade. It's a good razor. I cut myself, or I weep myself pretty frequently with this. That's what it's supposed to. It's not just a coincidence if it is good, because I did pay quite a bit of attention. Took a piece and squeezed it out in the bowl. Literally any bowl. And then worked it pretty hard. Started adding water. And I didn't intend to add a crazy amount of water or anything. I was really trying to pay attention to the lather, you know. And I added a little bit at the time, many times, because I've understood that that can be a good way to do it. I mean, some people start with a really wet brush, like a brush that hasn't been shaken out, where the water hasn't been shaken out, and they put in a certain amount of soap, and they just go at it, and it's perfect every time. They say, I have a hard time believing that, because soaps are very different, and the difference between, for me, a good lather and a perfect lather is minuscule in terms of water. I think we nailed it, and I had a feeling. That's why I thought I'd film this. You don't care, and you didn't see me do it. Now that would have been relevant television. So you're just going to see the result, and believe me, yeah, this is good stuff. Oh, I'm happy. I thought I had this, you know, preset inability to bowl lather, because I really have tried. But it's down to consistency, and it's down to trying to remember what it feels like, and what more importantly, what it looks like when you're doing a good face lather and try to mimic that as best you can. But to do that, you actually have to pay attention to what the lather looks like and how it behaves on the brush and when you shake it, etc. When you face lather, when you know you're nailing it, and copy that, because otherwise you have no clue. So that's what I did. That's what I did. Yep, very good. Saturday today. That's my mother, who we've only ever met outdoors since the whole virus thingy started. So we don't see each other too often, but it was very nice. Very nice. We took a walk by the sea, and yeah, it was good. It was great. Weather's nice. My hockey team won today. Frölunda, well, we don't know what to call them. We call them the fish cleaners, because that's probably what they will be called. Frölunda fish cleaners. It's a catchy name. Wonder what the logo is going to be. Probably a dead fish with its guts taken out. At least it would be original. Oh, this is a good soap. I'm happy. Behaves exactly the way it should. It's dripping because there's water quartz inside the razor. Lovely. Yeah, so I think we're top of the league now, with one game more played than some of the other teams. But that's good. I'm very happy. And yesterday I watched Leeds United in the Premier League of football in England. I put the razor down in a stupid way, so there might be blood there. And yeah, Leeds became the first ones this year to beat Aston Villa, who's a big surprise. They're unbeaten until yesterday, when Bamford made a hat-trick in the second half, and it was a 3-0 win. So Leeds United, whom people probably thought they would struggle to stay in the league, and they still may. It's early days, but they're third in the league now, also with one game more played. But such a joy to watch, on the attack all the time. Except when they play teams that really try to bore the opponent to death, like Wolves, then there's a lot of goals in the games. So it's good entertainment. Leeds United, check them out. Okay, we're doing well. We're doing well. This is going to be a good shave because we have a certain amount of concentration. We have good software, good hardware. Wow, I'm really happy about this lather. Could be a coincidence, but I as I said, I really did try. I really did. Sorry about the light in here. I have to keep that one on, otherwise it's pitch dark. Voilà. So this is a soap made with duck fat. It has a bunch of vegetable oils and stuff in it as well, but it's the main thing is confit de canard. Cool. I think that was good. Let's do a bit of a rinse and see, shall we? It's a nice soap. Thanks, Grey Dog. Yeah, I'm super happy with the lather. We'll take it out of the brush and out of the bowl just to see what it looks like. I'm gonna rinse cold down here, bear with me. Perfect. Really is a perfect shave. Perfect razor too. So here's the lather. It's extremely wet. It doesn't drip quite. Yeah, you can see it's peaky, but the peaks, when they're created, they go downwards. So that's, for me, wow, fantastic. Fantastic lather. There you go. That's all I wanted to show. I'll put aftershave on in a bit, but cheers and have a great weekend. And whatever you do, stay sharp.